welcome back. It is Friday, November 6th, 2020. Get through social studies. We're going to review our Google Meets. Oh, we're not going to work on the review. We're actually taking the assessment today. Review class norms, review our mission statement and goals, look over our learning objectives, and then take the assessment. We know that Fridays are assessment days, right? Google etiquette, show up on time, so thank you all for being here on time. Work in a quiet place. Make sure you have paper, pencil, and an eraser. Just make sure that, when you're in your quiet place, that should be like your office, right? It's your desk, your office. Mute your microphone. Make sure your video is on, unless you're having technical difficulties. Raise your hand or use nod to ask a question. Unmute your microphone to talk. Only after being called upon. Do not unmute just to start talking to me. Leave at the end of the meeting. All right. Class norms: be kind, be respectful, be working. Your be kind are your tone, your words, ideas and thoughts, because what's in your heart and what comes out of your mouth, and in your mind is what's in your heart. We want kind thoughts, kind words coming out of our mouth and in our head so that we have a kind heart. Be respectful. Make sure you're listening and looking and allowing others to do the same. Please do not take their attention away from what we're supposed to be doing. And be working. We're here to work. Your job is to be a 4th grade student. Go do it well. Our mission statement: we will work together as friends and family in Mrs. Metz's class to gain more knowledge, to work, and to learn. So we can all be successful. That's a good job. Although none of you were in sync, that wasn't bad, right? Luke. Y'all need to go on mute. Luke. You already completed it? All right. 100% of Mrs. Met students will show growth on unit assessments throughout the 2020-2021 school year. They will accomplish this goal by being purposeful and intentional with their time and learning. Today's learning objective is you will be able to identify, define, and analyze various important characteristics of the geography of Texas. I will know you have learned this by your score of 80% or higher on the assessment. Oh, you don't need that. All right. So, you all need to go into your Canvas, go into Mrs. Metz's homepage. Click on Mrs. Metz. Scroll down to what week? Week 12. What subject are we in right now? We are in social studies, so do me a favor. Don't click on the week 12, day 5 Friday for science. Don't click on math workshops. Go down to social studies and click on week 12, day 5 Friday. That's the plan, Caden. What? I will not probably add it until Monday morning. It may be this weekend. We'll see. All right. You need to take the quiz. Oh. There is a way, guys, this quiz is not recorded. Hang on a second. There's a way, let me see if it's in Savas. Hang on a minute. Guys, if you want to go ahead and get started on that quiz, go ahead. But I know that some of you like to have it read to you. So give me a minute. I'm going to see if I can assign it to you, because I think it's the same thing in Savas. And if it is, I'm going to assign it to you. So for those of you who like let's see. Oh, that's 20 questions. Oh, this is fantastic. I like this one better. That's okay. So, Talia.
On Canvas, I already did the geography of Texas assignment.
Okay. You know what that means? You don't know what that means?